Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful winter centerpiece. It could be great for New Year's Eve or any sort of winter wedding. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I'm going to cut a piece, fold it in half. I'm going to lay it down the center of my Bowdabra and tuck the ends underneath. Then I have these pieces of netting that are 17 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. And I'm just gonna lay these out and going in different directions. So I'm just gonna keep laying these in. And I have 5 strips of these. And then I have these 2 really pretty picks. And I'm just gonna put this pick inside this pick. And I'm gonna lay this down into the Bowdabra. And then I have these 2 pieces. One's 12 inches of sparkly ribbon, and this one's a little bit shorter. It's about 10 inches. I'm gonna lay those in. Then I'm gonna take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it through. I'm gonna pull it really tight while it's still in my Bowdabra. Then pull it out. And now I'm going to just separate the ends and bring it around the back. And I'm going to tie a knot. Now you could tie this onto a winter wreath, or you can just lay it flat. Since I'm gonna be not tying it onto anything, I'm going to cut the ends of my wire. I'm just gonna bring this out here. And then I have this beautiful winter poinsettia, and I'm gonna just clip it. It's a clip-on pick, and I'm just gonna clip it right here onto my ribbon there. And then you have this beautiful, super simple to make centerpiece.